about 11 years, first out of necessity, and then I come to enjoy it, and I actually advocate the bus to everybody. I'm a proud Metro rider, and I live in the city, I work downtown, I advocate the public transportation. I mainly use tokens. I love the all-day passes of recent. That's if I have to make a few extra stops, grocery shopping. I love the all-day passes. That was a great idea. When I first heard about the quarter increase, I thought, okay, because I haven't seen an increase while I've been riding. And then about a month later on the news, heard about the $2 one-way, and I thought, wait a minute, no way. I even brought it up that morning when I got on the bus. It's a bike ride, 20-minute bike ride from my house to work. And I've done that a few times in the summer. I'm going to be looking for other means. You know, that $2 one-way is just, I understand the pamphlet made it clear as far as the reasons why. At first I just thought it was the gas price situation. But $2, $4 round trip, I just think is too much for me personally. So that's about all I got.